Welcome to Akshara Vidya channel, and we are continuing with the class 4th lesson 3 Veeramate Jijabai. So in the previous part we have gone through the lesson reading. Here we will look into what is the story of this chapter and understand the meaning in English. So Veeramate Jijabai. Veera means brave, Mate mother. So a story about the brave mother Jijabai. So let's go through. ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ಮಾತಾಜಿ means mother. My I am going to my mother. ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು means my namaste. Who says this? Chiguru Mise. Chiguru Mise means a young boy with little mustach. Veera Balaka, brave boy, asking with so much humbleness. Namrate means humbleness. He speaks, ನುಡಿದನು. So smiling, the mother is smiling. ಹುಸಿನಗೆ ಬೀರುತ್ತಾ ಅವನ ತಾಯಿ. She smiles and calls his son. Come and sit near me. ಬಾ ಕಂದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೋ. So the boy says, Okay mother, ಆಗಲಿ ತಾಯಿ ಎಂದು ಬಾಲಕ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಂಡನು. ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಕರೆಸಿದ ಕಾರಣವೇನು? ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಕೇಳು ತಾಯಿ. So the boy asked, the son asked, so why did you call me? What you require from me? What help? ಎಂದನು ಬಾಲಕ. So the mother questions him back that whatever I ask, will you give me? ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವೆಯಾ ಮಗನೇ? ಎಂದು ತಾಯಿ ಅಭಿಮಾನದಿಂದ with proud she asks. ಆಗಲಿ ಮಾತಾಜಿ. Okay mother, ಭವಾನಿ ತಾಯಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಣೆ. Bhavani Tai means here refers to the mother god whom they used to believe in. So Ane means promise. I'll promise in the name of God Bhavani that whatever you ask I will give you. ನೀನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವೆ ಎಂದನು ಮಗ. ತಾಯಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕುಮಾರ, so she is referring her son again. So whatever you have said you have to give me. ಆಡಿದ ಮಾತಿನಂತೆ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. So he will again says, please mother ask, I will definitely give. ಕೇಳು ತಾಯಿ, ಅಗತ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದನು ಮಗ ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ. ನಾನು ಧನ್ಯ ಕಂದ. ಧನ್ಯ means I am lucky, I am very much lucky son. Now she tells what she wanted. ಕೊಂಡಾಣ ದುರ್ಗವು ಮೊಘಲರ ವಶದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೀನು ಗೆದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Means Kondana, there is a place called Kondana Durga which is under the control of Mughal kingdom. It's under their control, so you have to win with them and give that place as a gift to me. ಎಂದಳು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಮಗನನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ತಾಯಿ. Okay, she asked this. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಂಭಾಷಣೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ ತಾಯಿ ಮಗ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತೇ? ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಮದರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸನ್, ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ದೇ? ಸೊ ಇವರೇ ಭಾರತದ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ, ಭಾರತ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಹೂ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ? ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೀರಮಾತೆ, ವೀರಮಾತೆ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ and ಹಾಗೂ ಅವಳ ಪುತ್ರ. The name of his son is ಮರಾಠ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣನಾದ ಛತ್ರಪತಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿ. The name of son is, his son name is ಛತ್ರಪತಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿ. So who was ಛತ್ರಪತಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿ? ಮರಾಠ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅಧಿಪತಿ. So he was the one who founded the Maratha kingdom. He fought against the Adisahi Sultanate of Bijapur and formed the Maratha Empire. Even he fought with British army. So he has his own importance in fighting with the British with the emergence of Indian independence movement. Okay, so that was the Shivaji's legacy. So Maratha Samrajya, Maratha kingdoms was founded by Chhatrapati Shivaji. His mother is itself, her name is Veeramate. His Chhatrapati Shivaji's mother name is Jijabai. Okay. Now we are looking into the story of Jijabai, about her importance, about the importance of his mother. So Jijabai, she was born in the year Krishna Sataka AD 1594. Lakhuji Jadhav Rao, ಅವರ ಮಗಳಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿದರು. ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1594, ಲಖುಜಿ ಜಾಧವ್ ರಾವ್, he is a father of the ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರ ಮಗಳಾಗಿ ಜನಿಸಿದಳು. ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1603, ಶಹಾಜಿಯನ್ನು ವಿವಾಹವಾದಳು. She got married with a person called Shahaji in the year 16, not 3. So in 1594, I guess this is a print mistake or something, because Jijabai, she was born in the year 1598, I guess. Just please confirm if you have got the new print, or if there is a correction, which should be 1598, I guess, if I am not wrong. Okay, just let's confirm this. And in the year 1603, she got married to Shahaji. So who was the father of Jijabai? Lakhuji Jadhav Rao was the husband of Jijabai, Shahaji. Okay. Now they got married and they moved to the place called Bijapur in the Karnataka district. Shahajiyu Bijapurda. So Shahaji was working under Adil Shahi. ಶಹಾಜಿಯು ಬಿಜಾಪುರದ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದನು. ಸೊ ಆದಿಲ್ ಶಾಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶಹಾಜಿ ವಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1627, ಶಿವನೇರಿ ದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್? ಶಿವನೇರಿ ದುರ್ಗ. ಓಕೆ, ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಟು Shivaji. So Shivaji is born in the year 1627. Shahajiyu maga Shivajiಯನ್ನು, now the father, who is the father of Shivaji Maharaj, Shivaji, Shahaji. Mother is Jijabai, father name is Shahaji. So Shahaji will send his son to one ashram for learning the skills of the war. Okay, so he'll send to someone by name Dadaji Konda Deva. Okay, so who is the guru of Shahaji? Dadaji Konda. So see, Shahajiಯು ಮಗ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯನ್ನು ಗುರುವಾದ ದಾದಾಜಿ ಕೊಂಡ ದೇವನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದನು. ಗುರು ದಾದಾಜಿ ಕೊಂಡ ದೇವನು ಶಿವಾಜಿಗೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ದಾದಾಜಿ ಕೊಂಡ will teach Shivaji? He will teach Katti Varese, means sword fighting, Kudare Savari, horse riding, ಮುಂತಾದ etc. ಯುದ್ಧ ಕಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸಿದನು. Acts of wars. Okay, all. ಶಹಾಜಿ ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ತನ್ನಿಂದ ದೂರವಾದಾಗ, so for some reason Shahaji, I think he dies or he gets separated, so Jijabai will have to stay alone with his son. She was very upset, nondukonಡಳು. ಆದರೂ still she will not sit and cry that who will take care of me and my son. She started to live independently. ಆದರೂ ಎದೆಗುಂದದೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ, ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ means independent, ಬದುಕಲು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸಿದಳು. ಮಗನನ್ನು ಓರ್ವ ವೀರಯೋಧನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ಹೊಂಗನಸಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ, so she wanted her son to become a great warrior. Okay, Veera Yodha means great warrior. She came to a city called Pune in Maharashtra. ಹೊಂಗನಸಿನೊಂದಿಗೆ Pune. She comes to Pune. ಅವನೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೆಲೆಸಿದಳು means settled. She got settled in Pune. ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಚಾಣಾಕ್ಷ very intelligent ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಗಳು. She did not live like an ordinary woman crying that no one is there, how should I take care of my son. ಮಹಿಳೆಯಂತೆ ಬದುಕಿನ ಆಗು ಹೋಗುಗಳನ್ನು ನೆನೆದು ದುಃಖಿಸುವ ಹೆಣ್ಣಾಗಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಖಂಡ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಘಲರ ಆಳ್ವಿಕೆಯನ್ನು, so her family got destroyed in the hands of Mughal, so she took the oath that I'll fight against the Mughal army. Okay, I'll save the city, I'll save my city, I'll get back my city back. ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಮರಾಠ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ವಿಜಯ ಪತಾಕೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾರಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದಳು. I'll establish back my kingdom Maratha. ಪರಕೀಯರ ಗುಲಾಮಿಗಿರಿಯಿಂದ, ಪರಕೀಯರ means gulami, under control of, and I'm not going to live under animals else kingdom control. ಹೊರಬಂದು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಿದಳು. ಓಕೆ, So now she started self-training to her son. She gave daily Pratinitya Ramayana. These are your holy books of Hindu. So Ramayana and Mahabharata. She started teaching his son. ಪುರಾಣ ಕಥೆಗಳು mythology stories, okay, ಪುರಾಣ ಕಥೆ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು. ನ್ಯಾಯ ನೀತಿ, okay, what does ನ್ಯಾಯ ನೀತಿ means? It means, okay, all your um, how to, what is the rules of ruling a kingdom, ಸ್ತ್ರೀಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವ, okay, like giving justice to whatever the problems come. Nyaya niti means justice, respecting women. Stri means woman. Gaurava, respecting. Kashta shahinshunate. Okay, and like whatever the problems comes, have patience and solve them. ಇತ್ಯಾದಿ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು ಚಿಕ್ಕನಿಂದಲೇ from childhood she started giving him the training of all those abilities. ಶಿವಾಜಿಗೆ ವೀರಪುರುಷರ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು, ವೀರಪುರುಷ means the great warriors in the history, she started giving their examples. She started telling them the stories. ಸಾಹಸ ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವ ಆದರ್ಶಗಳನ್ನು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದಲೇ ಬಿತ್ತಿದಳು. ಹೇಗೆ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ, and this how she, she taught him. ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಮಗನಲ್ಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ, no, ಧೈರ್ಯ is like something like courage, brave, daringness. Swabhimana means self-respect. Sahasa, like courage, ಸೇವೆ, service. ತ್ಯಾಗ means sacrificing, giving up. ಮುಂತಾದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು, okay, ಮೌಲ್ಯ, these are the qualities she started embedding in his son from childhood. ಸೊ ಅವನನ್ನು ಉತ್ತಮ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಖಂಡ ಮರಾಠ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಉನ್ನತಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಶಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೊವೈಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮರಾಠ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್. ದಾರಿ ದೀಪವಾದಳು. ಮುಂದೆ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯು ಪ್ರಬಲ ಮೊಘಲ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಟದ ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್. Now later years Shivaji, when he will grow young, he will fight, he will grow up, he will fight with the Mughal king. Mughal Samrata means king, Aurangzeb. Okay, he will fight with Aurangzeb and he will win the war. ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಮಗನ ವಿಜಯೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷಪಟ್ಟು. She got very happy seeing that he has won the war. ರಾಯಗಢದಲ್ಲಿ, in the place name is Raigad, where he was declared as a king of that all the surrounding place. ರಾಯಗಢದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯ ಪಟ್ಟಾಭಿಷೇಕ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ವೈಭವದಿಂದ ನಡೆಯಿತು. There was a grand ceremony. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಾಮದಾಸರು ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ತದಿಂದ, so there was their guru called Ramadasaru. So he will come and he will bless Shivaji and he will declare him as a Mukadadharane means they will give, okay, he will declare the king and he will put that Pattabhisheka. Okay, ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಶಿವಾಜಿಯು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ತಾನು ಕಂಡು ಕನಸು ನನಸಾಯಿತೆಂದು ಖುಷಿಪಟ್ಟು ಶಿವಾಜಿಯನ್ನು ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಿಸಿದಳು. ಸೊ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ will get happy seeing the success of Shivaji Maharaj and how um, her the only dream got fulfilled and her son fulfilled her promise and she blesses him. ಅಂದು ಅವಳು ಸಹ ರಾಜಮಾತೆ ಎನಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಳು. She was also called Rajamate from that day. But unfortunately, she was not able to survive many days after Shivaji became the king. Okay, this was that sentence. ಶಿವಾಜಿ ಗದ್ದೆಯನ್ನೇರಿದ ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಹಿಡಿದಳು means she got bedridden soon after that. Um, her age was almost 80 when ಶಿವಾಜಿ was declared as king somewhere. ಸುಮಾರು 80 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಜೀವಿಸಿದ ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ, 80 means 80 years she was there. ಜೀಜಾಬಾಯಿ ಮರಾಠ ಅಭ್ಯುದಯ ಕಂಡಳು. She saw the growth of Maratha kingdom. ಅನಂತರ ರಾಯಗಢದ ಬಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ there is a place called Pachada in the district of Raigad. So near Raigad there is a place called Pachada which is a village. So she died in that, she took her last breath in that place in the year 1674. Okay, ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಧನ ಹೊಂದಿದಳು. Okay, so that's the story of the Jijabai. Okay, any doubts again, you can please comment in a comment section. Next, we'll look into the exercise activity.